Phoenixes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this beautiful pen pencil holder, and it's very easy and very cute, so let's get started. Okay guys, so over here I've taken this brown cardboard, not very thick and not very thin also, and then I'll just put some glue over here and just close this and make a cylindrical shape. So likewise I've made few more, and these all are in different sizes as you can see. So this is the size. Now what I'll do is that I'll take a yellow card paper and I'll start covering this cardboard. Okay, so once I'm done covering that, I'll just make some cuts over here on the corner, and then I'll just invert it inside and stick them. So this will make it look more neat and clean. Once that is done, I'll just repeat this to all the cylindrical cardboards. Once those are done, I'll take this white card paper stripe and I'll just fold it over here into zigzag shape, then cut out a circle, basically an oval out of it. So once I cut those, I'll get these shapes over here. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick these on the cylindrical cardboards, and these will be the white eyes. So over here I'll just repeat it to all the other cylindrical cardboards. Once those are done, I'll take my marker and I'll start outlining it beautifully and making some cute and funny expressions. Some eyebrows and a mouth as well. So I'm switching it over to a thick marker so that I can make it properly. You can do that too, or you can use paints instead, but I'm showing you the easiest way which you can do, and without any paints. You can over here use marker and sharpies and just make your own funny facial expressions. So as you can see, I'm making different expressions over here. Okay, so once this is done, as you can see, I'm just repeating it to all the other ones as well. Think of them as a group of siblings with different natures and make it. This is a quite fun process guys, you'll love making this. Once these all are done, as you can see, I've taken this brown cardboard over here. It's a very thick cardboard, and I'll cover it with this red gelatin paper because it's very shiny and it looks beautiful. Then I'll start applying it over here onto the cardboard. As whatever design you want it to be, you can just place them. Once this is done, as you can see, after it gets dried, this is the final look guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.